Alright guys, Josie out in Orlando. We're gonna do box number 2 today. This is unboxing of the 4 boxes. This is video number 2 for the second box. In case you missed the first video, I'll try to put the link underneath this video, or I'll put a little card up on top. But there's some of the products that we got off of the first box, which was just different type of tights, or spandex, as they like to be called as well. So this is what we got in the first one, and now we're going to open up the second box. The second box can be more of the same item, or it could be the pantyhose or the socks, but I don't know. Let's check together. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Again, being careful not to cut too deep into the box, because we definitely don't want to cut into any material that might be there. So I'll cut there. I'll do a cut across like this. And I did load up the majority of everything here on eBay last night and did some promoting this morning. But let's see what's in box number 2. Alright, let's see. Put the knife down. Whatever this is, it's got a nice bow on it. But it is different. It's like some lacy things here. Let's see. Alright. Wow, it says here 2 for $15. This might be better than the first one. Stick one out. These are tights as well. It says JL Love. Guessing that's what the heart is for. These are nice looking tights. And I definitely like the price there. $9.99 or 2 for $15. This box seems like it's going to be more valuable than the first box. And I didn't even think that was possible, but that's great. That's fantastic. So I'm going to just throw it here on the floor for now. Boop. Alright. Here comes some more of those tights. And this is what they look like. Ooh, it looks fancy. These are nice. Small to medium, medium to large. So again, that's a very beautiful pattern. I think these are going to sell really well. Again, 2 for $15. I love that they have the prices in the back. I might try these on Amazon. There's another one, the same one with a very nice pattern. So let's just start. How many are in here? 6. There's 6. So 3 small, 3 mediums. There's that one there. This, I don't know what it is, but let's open one up, because there seems to be a lot of these. Let's take one out here. Oh, these are pantyhose as well. They don't have the packaging like the other ones do, but it's got a nice bow. Okay, so these are not the full foot like the other ones. These are actually open on the bottom for the ankle, so you'll see that on the ankle, which is very nice actually. Oh, this is such nice material. So check that out. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about these. These are nice. I have to figure out the sizes, but we'll work that out. So I'll put the bow ones over there. And we got a lot of those. So how many are in here? 3, 6. 6 again. So there's 6, 12, 18. Oh, these are same kind of deal. These are purple or lilac, but these just look like regular stockings. Again, well, actually I think that's the wrong end I'm looking at here. Let's flip it over. Trying to see where the toe is at. So this is a closed toe, closed foot, unlike the other ones that were open. But these are nice lilac ones as well. So looks like a 6-pack of the lilacs. Put those there. So another one of the lilac. Give you a better idea. The nice color on there. And I'm guessing it's going to be the same thing. Small to medium. Here go some more of the ones with the bow for the open ankle. Those are real nice. More with the bow, and the bow, and the bow. So I don't know if they have the size inside, but I'll check. And those are actually really nice. Alright. Here comes some more tights, and these are black. And they seem like they're open. So that's where the slits are at. You see where they're open. And no price on these, but and this is a different brand, see, because this is JL Love or J Love, I'm guessing. And then we had the, there we go, Hot Steps. And this box had J Love. So it's nice that they had different companies. Here's another one. It looks like it's kind of like silverish. It's got like some nice metallic there on the bottom. And you can see the leg right there, how it opens up right there in the thigh. Sexy. Oh, these got a price on them too. So the price are 2 for $15 again. So gotta love that. Actually, these are the same ones that we first looked at there. So I'll put that there, and you got a couple of them. Here's another pack. So it looks like it's like a metallic gray until it hits the thigh. Then the thigh has got that black. Let me put this down on the table here. So it looks like it's a metallic gray going up the leg, and then when it hits the leg there, you got that nice black lace right there. So those are kind of nice. I'll put that there. This is the same one. Yep. And I love that there's the same, because again, you just do one listing, and this is the one that's got the openness. You do one listing, and you just put it, there you have it over and over. Here go more of those Hot Steps from yesterday. So these are actually put on eBay already. This is more of the same ones with the open in the thighs and on the outer thighs. And these are the ones that, let's put that there. Probably 2 for $15 as well. So it goes the same ones. That said 2 for $15, 2 for $15. Put those there. Again, these nice ones here with the lace. So I got a whole bunch of those with the lace and the price on them, which is nice. Some more from like the ones that we had yesterday. So put those there. Alright, what are these? This is new. This is single. It says size medium to large. Spandex. Hand wash separately. So these are spandex. And these are single packs. Ready to go. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 12 of them. So it's a new product. And we sell these for $5 shipped. Again, I only have 47 cents. So each one of these only cost me 47 cents. So anything I can get over is going to be amazing. Here's some more of those Hot Steps like the ones we got yesterday. And let's see. I just looked through the box, see if there's something different. Oh, here's something different down here. This says Hot Steps bathing suit, and summer is right here, so bathing suits are definitely gonna come in. So here we have a bathing suit, and looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 bathing suits right there. Nice, perfect timing for that. Let's see here. These look like those same ones, but without the lace on top. So put that back in there. These are the same ones we had before. Oh, here goes another pack. Bathing suits. $5 shipped on eBay. Alright. Here goes some of those hot steps. Oh, another set of the, oh no, these are nicer. These are rib tights. So that's what they look like. And small to medium. This one actually says one size fits all. One size fits all. So these are nice looking. I have to throw those back on eBay, that's for sure. Some more of these. These are those same ones. You can see the lines there, the ribs going down the leg there. Looks very nice. So, again, very happy with so far the material that's come out of this box. Super excited. A lot of potential, that's for sure. A lot of potential. These are fashion ties. I just say spandex instead. So there goes some spandex there. You can see the different pattern that's on there, which is very nice. Nice shoes as well. Shoes not included. But these are nice. I actually tried a pair on last night just to see how thick they are. So they're not as thin as pantyhose. They're not as thick as the other tights. So they're somewhere in between. So they're very comfortable. Where am I going to put these? Put those there. They're very comfortable. Living out here in Florida, it's humid, it's hot. And so, excuse me, they're very breathable for women. All right, so we got more of these and more of these. Oh, what's in here? This is a new pack of something here. Big pack of something. It says leg gauge. All right, let's open one of these up and see what it looks like. Ah, this box I think is the winner chicken dinner. I like it. Love it. All right, so this says leg gauge, and that's what it looks like. There's a picture up there so you can see. And this is a size small. It says high stockings. So there you go. You see my reflection on there. Thigh high stockings. Nice. And again, there's a pack of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's like 12 or 13 in here. So that's good too. So box number 2, super excited. It's got some great things, new product. It's got the high stockings here that we had in the same box as yesterday, but all this J Love stuff is new. That's new. The bathing suits are new. That's a beautiful pattern. I'm hoping that the other boxes have more of this pattern, because this is just gorgeous. I really like that. I'm not one to get all dressed up and fancy, but that looks fancy. Sunshine, where are you going? Want to say hi to the people? Hi, baby. Say hi. Yeah. This is my puppy. I call her my puppy, even though she's 7 years old already. Right, Sunshine? Say hi. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah. Whoop. Okay. But yeah, cool. We got bathing suits, which is new. We got these, which is new. Hi. Okay, come over here. We got this pattern, which is new. We got the nice lilac ones. Now she wants me to hug. Okay, move over. I'll scratch you in a second. There you go. We got these, which is the same as yesterday, but this is new. This is new. That's new. This is nice too. These stockings here with the bows on top. That's nice as well. So great product. This is new as well, with a nice pattern that's got up and down the leg. So yeah, super happy. So I'm gonna load this up today on eBay, And between this, the stuff that we had yesterday, this is just part of the stuff from yesterday. What's left here in box number 2. That's what we have for today. Some more great items. So excited that it wasn't a whole bunch of repeats. It was brand new stuff, brand new items that we didn't have in box number 1. So hopefully we continue that way with box number 3, then box number 4. But yeah, great material. I'm gonna probably load some of this up on Marketplace. I didn't get a chance to do it, or on Let Go as well, to see if anybody wants to buy any of this stuff. Maybe in bulk. I don't know. Maybe I'll just sell like a whole box. Not a whole box, a whole package like this. Like a package like this for like $20, and you get 6 or 8 depending what's in the package there. So if you guys have any good ideas on how I can sell this, where I can sell it the fastest, as far as online, or if you think this will do better on like Poshmark or Mercari. I'm not really on those sites, but give me some ideas below. Let me know where you think is the best place for me to sell this kind of material, and I will truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching as always, and tomorrow I will try to do box number 3. Not sure if I'll be able to load that up tomorrow, but I'll load it up as I'm opening them up. As always, thank you for watching. This is Josie in Orlando. And remember, you can't sell if you don't list, so make sure you list today. I have a lot of work to do, so I'm going to let you guys go. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.